morning, ako guys. So look at this. I was cleaning up, and I saw a box here that have a big gecko. Let's go. So that's what I do today. And I start with my curtain taking off. And I have to go up the top of the ladder with five steps. Yeah. So yeah, it's not easy to take off because it's, I have to hook with the wire on top of it. And of course my son, he's helping me, and I asked him to give me the new curtain so I can starting to put it on. And I actually, my legs is shaking there because I was top like 5 steps of the ladder, and also my other foot I have to step into the top of the cabinet, and that was very high for me, and I have to also hold to the steel bar up there, so if ever the cabinet will pull, I can hang there and then hold it. So yeah, that's it. And yeah, it's quite too hot today, but I work fine, and at least I have to do something today. And yeah, I like it when I am doing things like this, organized, so I can see the result. That is relax. You can relax, so at least you have done something. So I have to get something that I have long nose pliers, so I can tie it with the wire there. So yep, that's it. It takes me for a while because I have to hook three wire on the curtain rod. It's three curtain that I put because 2 windows, but I just have to do with the one rod. So that area is going to the the entrance, close to the entrance. So that's why I have to take the time to make sure that it is also the same height, so it's not gonna like bending. And also my curtain rod, I have like the broken is plastic, the other side, the other side is steel. So yeah, that's how difficult. So finally I finish those arrange, and I have to make sure that it looks good. The fold of the curtain is looking good, so when you can see, it's looking good. So let's proceed. Finally the first one is done, and let's proceed to the other one. So let me turn the camera, and this one is quite the sun getting in, so you hardly the sun is getting from those window, and all this window is still not finished. I just put the tarpaulin outside and to cover the rain when it's rain to come in, so it's not gonna get the rain gonna get in. That's why I have to cover that there. and I hope I can, put a glass there, put the window, proper window, but just flying in the air, I don't know when. So finally I am almost done, and that's it. Yes. Yeah, also my son, he's helping me a lot. I can ask him anything what I need while I'm up there. So
This is actually the toys collection, old cars, sports cars, van, yeah, and police cars. What's this? Off-road cars. Right, it's from my subscriber that he's very nice. From Mr. E. And he sent this package before last year. So yeah, and I haven't heard him since. But again, Sir E, E and Z is the big letter of a first name and last name. So I would like to still appreciate you for your kindness to all this and to all your effort to send and everything. Thank you so much, and I wish you have still a good health and what's this? Stay positive and a good health. So thank you so much again. Right, I never forgot, and my son never forget about all these toys that he have from you. Any other things? Thank you. Right guys, so let's go sweeping. Let's go sweep.
So today we're going to do the laundry after this taking off the curtain, and I have to do the laundry. So, and of course you can't get the water for laundry if you don't have the pump. So you have to pump first. After a while, you get the water. And of course, it's time to hang my the one that I finished already. And I just decided to hang all over here in the garage because it's too hot outside. And I don't have a good clothesline there. So I have to taking off my old one and then I have to hang the new one. And that's it. And of course, after doing laundry, during the laundry, I still not finished doing laundry actually. But I have to decide to get some coffee and yeah, have my breakfast. So yeah, making coffee, just plain coffee, which is I don't have a creamer for coffee, so I use sugar and powdered milk, my son's powdered milk. So that's it. Simple life and happy. And so I pour the hot water. Then stir. Stir and it's ready. Alright. It's right there. Yeah, that's good. So that's it, and I am look so haggard there because I have a lot to do. Same time, so approve. And let's drink. So guys, that's it. My little, journey for today, and that's all I can make a video. I hope you're not gonna get bored on me with this. So, but if ever, well, sorry about that because this is I can do my editing. I try to make change actually. So bye bye for now and see you later.